Welcome to A Better and Leading You. In the last episodes, we began looking at the right decision-making strategies, and we concluded that if you had missed the opportunity to smell your decision before you began executing them, you can definitely change your decision now to avoid hurting yourself in days and years to come. In this video, we will learn what we must do towards a better and leading future when we find ourselves overwhelmed with the weight of our past choices. So let us go quickly into it. Usually, before we have any food on the table to smell and eat, we go for shopping and we populate our carts. But for many of us, the decisions on what to add to our carts are impulsively taken. We sometimes add items we don't need or we can't simply afford at the moment. Since there is a good chance we will eat the things that we have added on our carts, we therefore have a sensitive responsibility of waking ourselves up from the daydream of impulsive decisions and review our past actions. For many people, once an item is added to their carts, they must pay for it. But are you supposed to pay for an item you have no need of, nor healthy to your body? The truth is, we learn daily and we equally make daily decisions. That you have made certain poor decisions in the past doesn't mean your present and future should be held hostage by your past. If you review your past decisions, your past commitments and promises, and you find some that are not capable of guaranteeing your peace, growth and prosperity in the future, you have a moral responsibility of clearing such out of your life cards. If you mustn't eat bad food, you mustn't buy it. If you will not buy it, it is because you have decided to remove such from your cards. Many people are stuck in life right now, and they are stuck today not because of their present decisions, but their loyalty to their past commitments, decisions and promises. There are certain things you said you would do, or there are certain things you began doing but haven't started doing them. You know it yourself that your life is not any better. But since you are loyal to your past decision, you decide to endure the present pain. Assuming what you are enduring is good for your future, then you would end up becoming a better and a leading person. However, there are many people enduring things that are destroying them, enduring things that are killing them, enduring things that are taken away from them. If you have examined the actions that you have made in the past and you knew it, that the experiences that has been coming from your past actions has nothing to do with your greatest desire, then you have a responsibility before you get into your future to clear it out of the table now. You see, when you get into your future, you are going to get there with the items on your cart. You are going to prepare your destiny with the things you've gathered into your cart. If you must not eat a bad future while you are smelling it in your present now, you have a responsibility to clear it out of your cart, knowing fully well that whatever item you add into your cart, you must pay for it in the future. You remember, whenever you go to a shopping mall, wherever you do that, Walmart, ShopRite, wherever, you understand that the first thing you do is to walk around the places, picking up items that you think you will need in your house. When you pick those items up, you put them in your shopping cart and you carry all of them to the cashiers or to the pay point where you show the things that you have added into your cart, and then you pay for them. Now, do you think you should pay for items that you have added impulsively that you have no need for in the future? Do you think you should even overburden yourself? For many people, they enter the shopping mall and then they spend hours walking up and down, gathering things into their shopping baskets. Do you think you deserve the extra load, the extra burden of carrying items that are not necessary I believe it is important that you become loyal to your destiny and you cease from the peer pressure. You cease from doing the things everybody is doing. Everybody is adding so much to their cart. I cannot get to the cashier with just an item. But should you need only one item, you have a right to go before the cashier with that one item, not gathering 20 items that you have no need for. So what do? Having gathered a few things on your cart that are not necessary for your destiny, you clear them out, you remove them, you return them back to the places you took them from, you clear them out. And when you do that, your basket, your shopping cart is lighter, and then you can afford the things that are remaining in it, and you can use them for a better life. So you must understand that while we are dealing with the issue of smell it before you eat it, it's important you understand that you must count your cost as we began with. And then when you have already started making decisions that you did not count the cost very well, you have a responsibility to change your course, change your direction, be loyal to your destiny than the decisions themselves. While your decisions will take you to a destination, you must be loyal to the destination than the decisions you are making. If you have made a wrong decision, you must change it if you want a better destiny. If you have started adding all manner of things into your life cart that are not necessary for the man, the woman you want to become, you have a responsibility. You have that responsibility, not the people around you. You have the responsibility to identify items on your cart that are not necessary, that are injurious to your future, and will affect the life you want to live. Identify them, take them out of your cart. It is better for you now to have an empty cart than for you to have a cart that is overloaded with irrelevant things. Alright, that's the end of the video. I believe you have learned something. I want you to remember, if you must eat it, you must smell it. And after smelling, if the item is not good, you must throw it out of your cart. If you must not pay for things that are not good for your life, if you must not pay for a wrong decision, then you must identify that decision right now, remove it from the cart of your life. You have a list of actions that you have taken in the past and you want to take. Anyone that is not right for your future, remove them from the list. And I believe as you do that, you will become a better and a leading person. I believe you have learned something from this video. I want you to like it, share your comment with me in the comment box below, and if you have not watched the previous episodes of this series, I want you to do that. You will find the links in the description box below, and also be kind enough to share this video with your friends, your family, on your social media networks. Thank you for the gift of your time. My name is Boyega. I hope to connect with you again in the next episode of Better and Leading You. Till that time, I want you to stay safe wherever you are. Thank you.